ArtStartGo. In this video we will draw a Christmas tree with colored pencils. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe now for more videos on how to draw and create art. Start to draw the tree using spring green. Use carmine red to begin the ornaments. Color the star and additional ornaments with metallic silver. Color the ribbon with metallic gold. Continue to color the ornaments with red, silver, and gold. Continue to color the tree with dark green. Fill in the tree with spring green. Continue to color the tree with true green. Finish the color of the ornaments with crimson red, poppy red, metallic silver, and metallic gold. Finish coloring the tree with dark green. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.